Hi my dear plant lovers, we have entered the fall season. Today I will share my top 6 green tips on how to help your plants to adjust to this cooler season and stay in good shape. It would be great if you could share your best green tips on how to care for plants throughout seasonal changes in the comments below. If this is your first time here, I'm Juliet, the founder of My City Plants, and on this channel I am sharing my knowledge, experience and tips to help you to grow happy and healthy plants. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on so you do not miss any of our new videos. Now let's go to my top 6 green tips. First of all, move plants back indoors. If you have taken your plants outside for the warm weather seasons, keep an eye on the weather and forecast for any sudden changes in temperature. Move your plants back indoors if the outer temperature is dropping below 60 degrees Fahrenheit anytime throughout the day. When bringing your plants back inside, inspect them carefully for any pests or diseases that may have hitchhiked in on them. If any plant got any issue, keep them away from all other plants while treating them. Number 2, adjust watering frequency. Watering frequency varies throughout the year depending on the length of the daylight and temperatures. During the fall season, we need to water our plants less often as we have shorter light exposure, cooler temperature, plus plant's active growth period is over. Test the soil once every 7 to 10 days. See how fast the soil dries out. Testing the soil regularly helps to establish a proper watering frequency and avoid an overwatering issue. Number 3, remove yellow leaves. If you see few leaves turning yellow, which is very common during seasonal changes, simply remove those leaves. By removing dying leaves, we help the plant to spend its energy and nutrients on staying healthy and growing new leaves for you. If you see a lot of yellow leaves, this might be the sign of watering issue, lack of nutrients, insufficient light, or pest issue. Number 4, avoid drastic temperature changes. The best is to keep indoor temperature steady anywhere between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Leaf dropping happens when the plant is exposed to drastic temperature changes. Keep your plants away from cold drafts and heating sources. Do not open windows near plants if the outside temperature is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5, turn on your humidifier. Once we start using heat to keep our homes warm, the humidity levels go down. Humidity-loving plants will stress out in the low humidity environment and might turn their tips of leaves dry and brown. To help your plants adjust, you can place a humidifier in the room and group your plants together. This solution will help raise the humidity around your plants so they can better tolerate the dry air. Plus, keeping high humidity levels are good not only for your plants but also for your skin. Last but not least, rotate plants. Since the days are getting shorter, the plant will try to get as much light as possible by reaching out to the light source. You can move plants closer to a window or add a grow light. Important to rotate plants more frequently to provide an even light exposure to all sides to keep the shape of your plants even and avoid leaning issues. This completes my list of 6 top green tips. By the way, the tips I have shared with you today also apply to winter plant care. Click like if you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and feel free to share your best green tips in the comments below. Take care of yourself, take care of your plants, stay warm. Thank you for watching and see you soon.